Python function decorators. In Python, functions are first-class objects, meaning they can be passed around as arguments. This allows us to modify function behavior dynamically using decorators. In this simple function takes a string and returns a new function wrapper. When we call x, it runs wrapper, printing start, the string, and end. Since functions are objects, we can pass one function into another. Let's modify our previous example. Func now takes a function instead of a string. The wrapper function adds extra behavior before and after calling past function. We pass test1 and test2 into func, and the behavior of those functions is now modified. Python provides a special syntax to simplify function decoration. Instead of calling func test1, we use the @decorator notation. The @func decorator automatically applies func to player. This makes the code cleaner and easier to read. What happens when the function we want to decorate has parameters? We need to modify the decorator to accept arguments using args and quarks. We modify wrapper to accept any number of arguments using args and quarks. This makes the decorator more flexible so it can be applied to functions with parameters. One common use case of decorators is measuring function execution time. Let's create a timer decorator. Start records the time before calling the function. Total calculates the execution duration. This decorator can be used to measure how long any function takes to run. Example to check how long will to loop for 1 million times. Let's test our timing decorator with a function that sleeps for 1 second. The timer decorator will measure and display the actual execution time. Function decorators allow us to modify function behavior without changing their code.